Pan-African Resources has greenstone belt mines near Barberton in Mpumalanga and also the Evander gold mine, which it bought from Harmony, market cap of 4 billion rand, price to earnings ratio of 7.5 and a dividend yield of 5.8%. Pan-African Resources, are we now more enthusiastic as general theme, Rowan, as we move into the smaller players?
Yeah, so this one, yeah, look, you saw the dividend yield of 5.8%. It's still paying a healthy dividend. The majors are paying about 1.7%, and it's much smaller, more focused. The management can sort of handle the scope of operations. They can really do meaningful things to bring down the costs. You're not working with a sort of leviathan. I don't know too much about the underlying operations, but they seem to have taken over some good assets and I think are sweating them quite well and clearly being able to get cash out of them to pay dividends to shareholders. So this one's been much better, I guess more defensive. I've seen some of the major fund managers, Prudential sort of came up as being a substantial shareholder recently. So I think you're seeing value type investors looking at this opportunity. It may be interesting if you're still a bit bullish on gold.
But Paul, that just doesn't sit well with you. You're not at all bullish on gold.
Look, a couple of years ago, these guys emerged because they, I don't know whether it was luck or good management, but they found more gold at New Consort and Fairview out around Barberton than had previously been thought to be there. I think, though, they've increased the risk substantially by buying Evander because that's more of a reef-based operation. Good mine, but scale-wise, there's some capex required there. Also, the management team, the market liked under Jan Nelson, he left. He's been replaced by a joint CEO team. I don't even know their names, but they were operationally involved in the business. So I just think that's why the share price has gone off the boil after a nice run. And I think it's going to fall prey to all of the same problems we've been referring to, in my opinion.
Pan-African Resources, in your opinion, Rowan, hot or not?
No, I'd say not. I prefer some of the other players.
Paul, hot or not?
No, not hot for me.